Welcome to the channel. Today we're making this vegan shepherd's pie. These are all the ingredients. They're all important in their own special way. Here we go. We're cutting some shallots. 3 shallots. Want to do a fine dice. Now get your mushrooms. I got shiitakes here. Simply cut them thin. And if you don't know how to do it, they're kind of unstable, just push them down with a finger. Just one finger, push it down. I got some fast chopping for you. Chuck that away. Again. Now take your herbs, this is thyme. All you have to do is grip it and pull it back. They just come off. Twigs, kind of gross. Just the green parts. Now that's a lot of rosemary. Rosemary's super strong, we only need half. Get out of there. So again, just take it from the back, pull backwards. Take it from the back. And then a secret on how to cut. Just put the tip of the knife on the board, hold it, and rock it back and forth. And it's easy to go fast. Just up and down, you hold the blade down. There we go. Now let's get cooking. Throw a glug of oil, medium hot pan. Get it nice and sizzly. That's how the shallots should look. Add your mushrooms. Make them look good. Add some tomato paste. Now, very important. Cook the tomato paste. Really get it in there. Get it incorporated. Spin it around. Dig it in there. You want to cook this. And add your paprika and bay leaf. Get it? Paprika, bay leaf. 2 came out, so I'm using 2. Teaspoon of paprika. This is what it looks like. A heaping teaspoon. Pop it in. Add your broth. 4 cups of broth. When it simmers, add your lentils. Nothing fancy. Get it in. Simmer away. Add your herbs. Use herbs in your food every day. Everything's been cooked. The lentils feel tasty to you. You want to add the secret sauce that really makes this taste delicious. 2 teaspoons soy sauce. This is tamari, it's gluten-free. Add 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. Now add a teaspoon of vegan Worcestershire sauce. That is actually how you say it, Worcestershire. Maybe not, but that's how we're saying it. The regular version has anchovies. I don't know what makes it vegan, but it's just as good. Oh, we haven't made the mashed potatoes yet. Let's see how to do that. Now, if you turn the potato on its side, it cuts much easier. I leave the skin on. I like to buy organic potatoes. Most of the nutrition is in the skin of the potato. When you get the eyes out of the potatoes, take the back knife. It's kind of sharp and unnecessary normally. Just stick the tip in and chuck out the eyes. Now boil your potatoes, salt it. You should know this by now. Boiled. Mash it together with some oat milk. It's a little uncomfortable close-up for you. Good. Put your mashed potatoes over your lentil mixture. This is what makes it a shepherd's pie. Take a slotted spoon or something and you make ridges in it so all these little bits get crisp Then we add some oil on top. This is Herbes de Provence infused oil for extra flavor. Paprika makes it brown. Turmeric makes it golden. Put it in the oven, 425, 30 minutes. Use herbs every day. Enjoy. Let me know if you like it.